What's up, guys? It's your boy again. So this is a swing arm. I'm currently rebuilding a 150 CRF 150R, and I'm pretty much cleaning the swing arm. So like, this is just tips on how to. You know, a lot of videos they show, you know, complicated ways to do and so on. But all I'm using is some WD-40 and different grades of sandpaper, and then so this is one side, this is the other side. You can see, I mean, it's kind of dirty right now, but you can see it has a cleaner finish mirror-like. I don't want it chrome neither, and I don't want it real polished. It's kind of tacky, but I just want it enough that it's super clean. Just kind of back to like pretty much looking new. The inside of the swing arm, I'm clean with a ScotchBrite pad and some regular soap. But yeah, that's the process I'm in right now so far. I took the whole motorcycle apart already. Pretty sure I don't think you guys wanted to see that. There's plenty of videos online about that. But here, let me show you real quick. Alright guys, so this is the engine. Cleaned it up. As you can tell, greased up some of the little bearings and stuff. Cleaned it up to the best of my knowledge. And pretty much all I used on this also was a ScotchBrite pad and some aluminum wheel cleaner, and just cover up all the hose that let water or anything in, the valve covers, anything like that, and just go to work and scrub away. So this is my frame. As you can tell, when I bought it from the guy, it was pretty rusted, pretty beat up. So I'm gonna be stripping this all the way down, and then, I mean, it's already all stripped down, but I'm gonna be grinding it or some type of sand in it to get all this rust off, and then I'm gonna spray paint it again. I'm gonna spray paint it black. I got a little theme in my head. I'm gonna see how that goes. And this is the suspension. So like I said, I took everything apart already. I'm not too sure if I wanted to record that, but I will show putting it back together. This is my suspension. I'm gonna be getting new springs. I'm gonna redo the suspension. New shocks for the front. Well, new springs for the front and new shock spring for the rear. And like I said again, all new seals on the front and back. That's my gas tank. My air filter. Those are pretty dirty. My rear brakes. And then I got a couple other parts in here. Handlebars and stuff like that. I'll show the process of that soon. But yeah, the theme I'm going for is like a black and red with a little bit of aluminum. So I'm gonna show you that. But yeah, let's get back to the swing arm. Alright guys, it's been about an hour. I've been away at it, scrubbing. Like I said, all I used was some WD-40 and different grades of sanding paper. I think this is 180. They're all different types though. This is 320. And then once I got it pretty low, I used, what is this, 1000. And then I finished it off with 2000. And then from there, I got this finish, which is way better than what it was before. Way better. So I'm kind of excited about it, kind of happy. But it does require some elbow grease and some patience, because it will take you a while. You will also have some dull spots. I don't know if you guys are a fan of that, but this is a 07, so I'm not too too worried about it. But I don't know if you could tell if the camera catches it, if you could see that. But you will have some dull spots and some brighter spots, but like from the side, and once it's moving and it's on, it's pretty much gonna be hard to tell. And also, if you put stickers on there, the decals, I'm pretty sure it'll cover that all up. So I'm gonna finish it off with some mag wheel cleaner. I read good reviews on this, so yeah, we're gonna finish it off with this and a ScotchBrite. So yeah, I'll show you the finished product once I'm done with that. And it turned out way better than what I expected. Like I said, there will be some dull spots, as you can see right here, but it's way better than what it was. I mean, this thing was beat up. I don't know if you can tell. Here, let me pull it out. Still drying, so some spots might be wet also. But it came out way better than what it was. It's gonna look super clean on the build. Can't wait. Yep, that's it. Those are the steps I used. I mean, I don't got no polishing drill or wheel or any of that crazy stuff. It's just at home, as far as home basic tools, nothing crazy. Like you can see right here. And these spots, you want to grab a clean rag and some WD-40 and just coat them real quick, and it'll look pretty much brand new. So like I said, it's a 07. I don't expect to bring it way back to life, especially with the tools I have available at home. So, and I'm not gonna go buy $100 wheel or anything crazy like that, 'cause it's gonna get scratched up. I'm taking it back to the road, to the track or anything, woods, any it's gonna get dirty again. So yeah, hope you enjoy. Stay tuned for some more. Next I have the frame. So yeah, peace guys.